Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add best friend in Instagram PC. We start by opening Instagram in our browser. Next, click on the More menu and then on Settings. After that, we will click on the Close Friends option. Here we can select the contacts that we want to be included as close or best friends and thus be able to share content only with them. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.